Today I have Ryder and Avery at home with me, and we decided it would be a fun idea to show you how to make one of Ryder's favorite snacks. What's your favorite snack?
Banana sushi.
It's one of those ideas or recipes that's been on Pinterest for a really long time, but it's also an idea that's easy for a kid to make. So Avery today is gonna show us how to make
Banana sushi.
I'm Meg, and I'm passionate about finding ways to make life with kids easier in the kitchen.
This is what you'll need to get started. Some bananas, peanut butter, almond butter, and whipped cream cheese. Some toppings like Rice Krispie cereal, crushed graham cracker, hemp seeds, chia seeds, shredded coconut, and chocolate chip. So the first thing you'll want to do is peel your bananas. Ryder, would you like to peel one? Now, it might be hard to, so you might want to ask a parent or adult. Mom, can you help me?
That looks like a pretty good banana, right? Good, buddy.
Can I eat it? You can either cut it in half.
With supervision with a knife, all right.
Or you could cut little parts like this. Yeah, like little circles.
Little circles, right? Because you want it to be easy enough for a kid to eat, right?
A lot of them.
A lot of them.
Because Ryder's gonna steal them.
You, that's right.
If we don't eat them in time. Next, you'll want to take your peanut butter. I say you should do it like this.
Now, does it matter how messy it looks?
No, because you're gonna cover it up.
So you really just want to make sure it's pretty evenly coated,
Ryder,
right?
don't play with the knife. You can help with the eating part, which I know you'll like. So next, I'm just gonna take my Rice Krispie and I'm gonna pour some onto the plate.
All right, now, whose favorite variety is this one?
This is actually Ryder's favorite. I'm just gonna roll it onto the cereal.
Ooh, that's coming. What do you think, Ryder? That looks delicious.
Yeah. Can I have that one?
Yeah, you can have that one.
Can I slice it up?
Sure. Oh, looks like you're gonna get a bite, Ryder. Look at you lucky kiddo. While Ryder's eating that, what should we make next?
Next, let's do the almond butter.
Okay, here's some almond butter for you.
You spread it across. Like I said, not too much.
Not too much. Whose favorite is this one?
Mommy's.
Yes.
I'm gonna put your favorite topping.
Okay. It's coconut.
This
that's
is
right.
shredded coconut.
Okay.
Can I have coconut and chocolate chips? Okay, would you like that, Ryder?
You want
hey,
some
Mom,
chocolate
I
chips
get to do it.
Oh, okay. Avery's in charge.
Oopsie. I'm gonna let you, the spectacular, do the cream cheese.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a little whipped cream cheese. And I'm using whipped cream cheese because the block cream cheese is a little bit harder to spread.
Did Ryder disappear?
We lost our other helper. He's over there. Okay.
And then I want to put those hemp seeds.
Hemp seeds. All right. We'll sprinkle some of those. Ooh, this is really looking like sushi. All right. So I've got my chia seeds on here. That looks pretty good. All right. So let's do one that's a little bit like a treat. What should we make next?
Let's do the graham cracker.
Okay.
And the peanut butter.
Peanut butter. All right. So I'll put a little bit of peanut butter, and then how about you do the topping?
Let's do the graham cracker.
Graham cracker. Okay. Now I like to just dunk it in. What do you think?
Okay. Can I do that?
Yeah, of course. Dunk it in.
Dunk.
And I like it because it's nice and crispy, but also a little bit sweet, right? And I'm using honey graham cracker today. I think that'll taste good? Yeah. All right, guys, how do you think they came out, Rides?
Good.
Oh, you want to take one? Which one do you want? That one? Okay.
I like that yummy one.
The one with the most chocolate chip?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. I think I will do a graham cracker one.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Oh, Ryder already ate his.
All right, guys, well, we had so much fun making the snack. It's so great for after school before all of the kids' activities because it gives you guys a lot of energy, right?
Just make sure if you have a boy like Ryder who loves these, don't give him too many chocolate chips. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.
Bye. How many have you had?
6.